feature a modern classic, a perfect literary companion to curl up with before the fire.
The weather forecast. Oh dear. It looks like those of us expecting a white one will have to wait until next year.
Quit the time.
All right, lads. Come on. Hey.
Lads, happy to tell you, bloody Christmas time.
On the stage. Yes.
Bartley. Bartley. Don't spend it all on the sales.
Our Manny starts tomorrow.
Let's sing, Bartley.
Come on, back. Let's put the grievous stack on. What?
Come on, Bartley. Send Stephen say before you finish.
Now it's Christmas.
Tíocht na mlúin o híla, se bí can dáir a tháinig ar a masters. Ach tá sé nniuúmar níos arm na bhaintí seo rinchaí.
Ain't few some leis, lad.
Tá sam bhang bhic ma. Ho ho ho, bhic o, ha? Nach fánach an áte bhui ag glumach, ha?
Ceadar sin.
Surprise of what?
Cuige ba.
Yes, you had to flake you.
Is fear na kicks the tune.
You want to get one little more to working.
Would you be go lawalya?
Imagine the morach, my hands, lad.
It's got 14 with Winnigal here.
Nílim blina. Ni ben an anneka.
Scogur ma se lad. Ceil díonas tú mar sin. Bhain an túiste brenn ar speech an bhain
Beja, le cun of Jay.
Well, on that Turkish now, how do you force of it?
Tá sé malach.
Talks put your brand, because hard touch is ready.
Come milish a millawak ban.
Ho, sé tará.
All right. Right, that's $9.90, please. Oh, have you got Santa this year?
Sorry?
Santa?
No. Sandy's well gone.
Happy Christmas.
Thank you.
Damn it, you stupid twat. Happens every time, doesn't it? Pissed and messed up.
Hey!
You and your stupid bloody thing. Hey!
Tommy! Tommy, come here!
You okay?
Tommy, come here to me! Tommy!
Never mind Tommy. Tommy's gone. Are you okay?
Tommy, come here to me, study. Come on, loving. You couldn't play more than that with smooth study.
Your man. I will you who?
Oh no, that's how.
Come on, Tommy. Tommy, come to mommy.
Hello, study. Come on. It's okay. Go on, you wait.
The walkie. Was she alright?
Ah, shut up.
How would she have gone?
Who's the Gilbert Thomas?
With Balakvich.
Ah, thanks.
Well, it's Mahin and the Bonnie Halway Road. Good, yeah.
Fair play.
Morning! Where do you think you're going?
Jesus, Dave, you're really messed up back there.
I know, but I didn't mean anything by it. You know that.
Hey, back off, okay?
We're sorted now, buddy. Aren't we, Maureen?
Sorted? What I saw back there, I wouldn't call sorted.
Seriously, buddy? I just told you.
Don't you call me buddy.
What the hell's this old man's problem, Maureen? You and little Tommy are not getting in a van with this old man. Get lost, buddy.
I'll only tell you once, you scuttery little yellow shite.
Come on, old man. I'll take you right now. buddy.
Look at, stop it, the both yous. You're scaring poor Tommy. Just leave it.
Maureen.
Hey!
Maureen.
Brother, Thomas Tau, Harira, and Bertson. Come on, Tommy.
See you, buddy.